Hello, let's continue our questions and answers. So, question is 2 divided by 5 divided by 6 by 7 is equal to what? Division of fractions. How do you divide a fraction? 2 divided by 5 divided by 6 by 7. 2 by 5 is divided by 6 by 7. What you have to do? Division of a fraction or division of a rational number. How do you divide it? Keep the first number as it is. Then you have to take the reciprocal of this second number. What is the reciprocal? What is the reciprocal of 6 divided by 7? It's nothing but 7 divided by 6. Denominator goes to numerator, numerator comes to denominator. Just you have to change the order. Reciprocal is 7 by 6. So take the reciprocal. So after taking reciprocal, this division becomes multiplication. See, this operation also changes. So this is 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So just simple multiplication, 7 times 1. This is 5 times 3. Denominator 5 times 3, 15. So what is the answer? 7 divided by 15. So your options are given in terms of fractions only. So don't take decimals of this number while dividing. Don't take 2 divided by 5 as 0.4 or 6 divided by 7 as 0.85 or something. Don't take decimals because options are given in terms of fractions only. So use this method to divide. Next question. If the perimeter of a square is 44 centimeter, what is the length of one of its sides? Here perimeter of a square is given. So this is a square. Perimeter of the square is given. What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square. What's the formula for square-meter? Perimeter of a square is 4 times its side. That means you have to add all these 4 sides. So what is perimeter here? Perimeter is 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter is 4 times its side. 4s. So you have to find what is the length of one of its sides. So what is the length of one of its sides? If you get one of the sides, then you can find all the sides. So this means 44 divided by 4 is equal to one of its side. So what is the length of one of its side? 44 divided by 4. It's 4 times 11. 11 centimeter. Length of one of its side is 11 centimeter. Next question. Kenny has a weekly allowance of $30. He spends his allowance on food, entertainment, and clothes. If in a week he spends 20% of his allowance on food and 30% on entertainment, How much money does Kenny have left to spend on clothes for that week? So Kenny has a weekly allowance of $30. That is, he is permitted to spend total $30 in a week. So his weekly allowance is $30. So he spends this $30 on food, entertainment, and clothes. If in a week he spends 20% of his allowance on food, so out of 30, so on food he spends 20%. So for food he spent 20% of $30. 20% of $30. 20 divided by 100 of $30. 20% means 20 divided by 100. So just cancel 3 times 2. Yes, 6. So out of $30, he spends $6 on food. And he spends 30% on entertainment. On entertainment, he spends 30%. of 30. He has $30. He spends 30% of 30 on entertainment. What is 30% of 30? This question is about percentage. So this is 30% means 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 30. So cancel all zeros. This is 3 times 3, which is 9. For entertainment, he spends $9. So out of $30, $6 for food and $9 for entertainment. So you need to find how much money left to spend on clothes. So this is 30 minus 6 minus 9. This is 15. So 30 minus 15, we will get 15. So he spends $15 on clothes. He has total $30. So among $30, he spends 20% on food. So 20% of 30 means is $6. And for entertainment, he spends 30%. 30% of 30 is $9. So this is 9 plus 6 is 15. So this $15 he spends for clothes. 20% of 30. You can simplify this whatever the easy way you like to. Or you can simplify as 20% means 0.2. 20 divided by 100. That means 0.2. 0.2 of 30. We'll get 6 only. 30% of 30. This is also 30%, means 30 divided by 100. 30 divided by 100 means 0.3. 0.3 multiplied by 30. So you'll get 9. Or you can simplify this as 20%, 20 divided by 100 into multiplied by 30. So 30 times 20 is 600. 600 divided by 100. This is 100 times 6. So answer is 6. This is also 30% of 30. This is 30 divided by 100 multiplied by 30. 30 times 30 is 900. So divide by 100. So answer is 100 times 9, 9. Just these zeros cancels out. Simplify whatever the way you want. Next question. Frank takes a number, adds it by 5, then multiplies it by 2, then subtracts it by 3, then divides it by 5 and ends up with the number 3. What is the original number? Now we are trying to solve step by step. So you have to find the original number. We don't know what is the original number. So Frank takes a number. We don't know which number he took. So let's take that number be n. Adds it by 5. Try to solve step by step. Otherwise you will get confused. He takes a number and adds it by 5. Then multiplies it by 2. He multiplies the number by 2. So you are not supposed to multiply only 5. You have to multiply n plus 5. So this is, after multiplying we get 2 times n plus 2 times 5. That is 10. Two n plus 10. After multiplying we got 2n plus 10. Then subtracts it by 3. So subtracts it by 3. We got 2n plus 10 after multiplying by 2. So answer he subtracts by 3. So we got 2n, 10 minus 3, 7. 2n plus 7. Then divides it by 5. So this number he divides by 5. 2n plus 7. He divides by 5. Ends up with the number 3. He got the answer as 3. So what is the original number? So we have to find n. What is the original number? This is 2n plus 7 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5. This is cross multiplication. This denominator goes to the right hand side, but the operation becomes multiplication. The 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 2n plus 7 is equal to 15. 2n plus 7 is equal to 15. So what is 2n? 2n is equal to 15 minus 7. Take this 7 to the right hand side. So addition becomes subtraction. 15 minus 7. What is 15 minus 7? 8. So 2n is equal to 8. What is n? N is 8 divided by 2. N is 8 divided by 2. So what is 8 divided by 2? Is 4. So original number is 4. We got n as 4. So let's check whether it is right or wrong. For your clarification, so we got the original number as 4. So he takes a number 4, adds it up by 5. So what is the answer? 4 plus 5, 9. Then multiplies it by 2. So we got the answer 18. Then subtracts it up by 3. 18 minus 3 is 15. Then divides it by 5. So after dividing, he ends up with the number 3. So he got the answer 3. 5 times 3 is 50. So original number is 4. Next question. The sum of 4 consecutive whole numbers is 126. What is the smallest number of the set? The sum of 4 consecutive whole numbers. Set of whole numbers means you know that they are all positive. That is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The sum of 4 consecutive whole numbers. We don't know which is the first number. So let's take first number as x, or let's take first number as a. Sum of 4 consecutive numbers. Consecutive numbers means the immediate number. So after a, the next number is a plus 1. Next number a plus 2. Next number a plus 3. We need sum of 4 consecutive numbers. This is the first number, second, third, fourth. So 4 consecutive numbers. Sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 126. Their sum is 126 given. A plus 1 plus a plus 2 plus a plus 3. So is 126. So for example, if you take 1 as first number, what is the consecutive numbers? So we will write 2. So next immediate number is after 1 we will get 2. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. So after 2 you will get 3. 3 can be written as 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3. 4 can be written as 1 plus 3. That's why I have taken, we don't know what is the first consecutive number, so I have taken a. The next consecutive number is a plus 1, then a plus 2 and a plus 3. So starting number I have taken as a. So let's add. We have the sum 126. So this is a plus a plus a 2a plus a 2a plus a 3a plus a 3a plus a 4a plus this 1 plus 2 3 3 plus 3 6 126. So this is for example, don't get confused. This one is for example. 4a plus 6 is equal to 126. So what is 4a? Take 6 to this side. This is 126. The addition becomes subtraction. 126 minus 6, which is 120. So 4a is equal to 120. So a is equal to 120 divided by 4. 120 divided by 4 is 30. So we got the answer A. So A, 30. What is the smallest number of the set? So this is set of 4 consecutive numbers. So smallest number is A itself. The next number is 30 plus 1, 31, 32 and 33. So smallest number is A itself, 30. So you can put here 30. This is 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 2, 32. 30 plus 3, 33. So you can check. Take this sum, 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 33. What will you get? We'll end up with 126 only. 30 plus 31 plus 32 plus 33. You will end up with 126. I will leave this question for you to solve. So try this question. Question is, if f of x means function of x, is equal to x to the power 3 plus 3 divided by 5 times x. 5x is nothing but 5 times x. Then what is the value of f of 3? That is, what is the value of function of 3? Try this. I have already solved similar type of questions in my last video. So if you have watched, you can solve this question easily. In the next video, I'll start with new set of 25 questions. Take care. Stay tuned.